I praise you, Lord. I lift my hands high. Through the storm, through the fire, you're my guide. I praise you, Lord, and let my heart sing loud. Every voice, every soul, in your name we're found. Mountains bow low, oceans clap their hands. Creation resounds, it's a holy dance. In the still of the night or the blaze of the sun, your mercy's my anthem, your will be done.